Hi everyone. In this video I am going to show how to control LED light by sending WhatsApp message. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe and turn on the bell icon to get the notification of new videos. We need an ESP32, 220 ohms resistor, 5mm LED, and a breadboard. Here is the circuit diagram. Now connecting components according to circuit diagram. Let's set up the WhatsApp message setting. Search ThingESP in Google. And to go ThingESP website. If you don't have account, then create account. Go to project. And create using project name and device's credentials. After creating project, you will get an endpoint URL for Twilio WhatsApp. Save this URL. Then go to a new tab and search Twilio API. To go their website and log into your account. If you don't have account, then create a new account. Click on Create a new account. Then you need to verify your WhatsApp number. Select your country and verify the WhatsApp number using verification code. After verification, do the following setting as like I'm doing. You will see this interface. Go to Send WhatsApp Messaging option. Then go to Sandbox setting. Replace this link with the endpoint URL for Twilio WhatsApp link from ThingESP that I have created before. Then click on Save button. Then you will get a WhatsApp number here. Use this WhatsApp number to send message. Then go to your WhatsApp and create conversation with this number. Then you will see a code here. This code may be different for you. Send this code to the Twilio WhatsApp number. Then you will this message. Now to got my GitHub. Copy the code. Open Arduino IDE software and paste the code. Here included the necessary libraries. Creates an object name thing that represents a device connected to a cloud platform. Here you have to enter your ThingESP user ID, project name and project credentials. Assigns the GPIO pin 5 to control an LED. Defines the size of EEPROM storage as 1 byte. Reads the last saved state of the LED from EEPROM. Here enter your Wi-Fi name and password. If the WhatsApp message is on, it turns the LED on, saves this state to EEPROM, and returns a confirmation message. If the WhatsApp message is off, it turns the LED off, saves this state to EEPROM, and returns a confirmation message. If the WhatsApp message is LED status, it checks the current status of the LED and returns whether it's on or off. Then select the proper board and upload the code. Now I'm providing power to the ESP32 from my power bank. Let's see how to control the LED by sending WhatsApp message. Thank you for watching.